Hello, my name is Rivera, and I will be doing a YouTube Live for Lab 9216 using Wireshark to observe the TCP three-way handshake. So the first thing you want to do is open up the, what do they call this? They refer to it as the interface list, and the interface that we're going to be using is the Ethernet interface. Since it's going to immediately start capturing, I would like to establish a connection to Google, which we'll be monitoring for the TCP three-way handshake. Just gonna let that run for a little bit. And we'll minimize that. I say that's good. There we go. We're going to want to also know our own personal IP address. So we're going to go to IP config all. We're going to go down to IPv4 subnet or IPv4 address, and it ends in 121.203.19. That is ours. So we will be able to see that within the Wireshark. There's a lot of traffic going on within the Wireshark, so we're going to narrow that down, looking for TCP and IP address. Well, first we'll just do TCP. Monitor. What's going on here? Ah, here it is. A little bit lower. Open. There we are. You will know that the TCP handshake has begun when you first see the SYN command, or the flag, come up. And we will just observe this further, just to see. Our source, yes, that's us, 10.121.203.19. And the destination is not actually showing me the full source, but we can double check that this is it. Okay, so this is right here, the destination port, or IP. Open a new tab. 216.239.32.20, which should open Google. Alright, so that confirms that this is the Google packet, TCP, that we're trying to open and look at. So we will just open up the frame itself and see that within it, whoops, wrong frame. The sequence number is 0, and the acknowledgement number is 0 also. And this is just simply showing which flag and next step that's going to be taken, and it'll show right here. Wait, here, grab right here. SYN-ACK. Oops. Destination port 80. Destination port 80 is actually the HTTP port that we'll be using, or that we have for the internet, is what we use to connect to Google. And the other destination port, or the other port, is unknown, is a wild port that represents our page. This window right here is 630992. And then once it confirms, you'll see that the port and destination switch right here. Okay. Yeah. So right there, switches right here. Fin. So I guess this is the end. Is there end? Should end in fin. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. So let's open up just to confirm every step along the way. First, we have the SYN, which is destination port 80, source port 63092. Next, Whoops. SYN. That's not it. It's maybe it's this one. Okay, it's this one right here. Source port 80, destination port 63092. Everything is staying consistent. The sequence number is 0 and the acknowledgement number is 1. And on to the final. Destination port 80, source port 63092. Sequence number 1, acknowledgement number 1. And for the fin, sequence number 1, acknowledgement number 2. And this cannot be part of the same thing. Doubt it. And it's also different. Yep, so this is us right here. Yep. Guess this will be our fin. Yeah. Some good flags to know for using Wireshark would be TCP, DNS, and HTTPS. That's if you're looking for TCP, three-way handshakes, DNS, name lookups, etc., and HTTP, which is internet, anything on the internet. All right, thank you. And that'll be all.